Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2005 Mazda 3 Max Sport hatch, stock reference number 5678. The shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 6th month 2006. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand side skirt. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.